Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Computing devices from the pre-computer age down to the 19th century. You might want to ask, how did people calculate in the past? We want to look at a few calculating devices of the past. These are some of them. We can see the abacus, the slide rule, Napier's bone, Pascal's calculator, Leibniz multiplier, Jacquard's loom, Charles Babbage analytical engine, Hollerith census machine, and Burroughs machine. We want to look at some of them and see how each of them works. The abacus. The abacus was first developed in China, and it was a primitive system of calculating for adding and subtracting. As you can see, it was made up of rods and rings attached to each of the rods. Slide rule. The slide rule is used primarily for multiplication and division, and also for functions such as roots, logarithms, and trigonometry, but it's normally not used for addition or subtraction. That is the slide rule, as we can see here in the picture. Napier's bones. John Napier developed the Napier bones in the year 1617. Also called Napier rods, these are numbered rods which can be used to perform multiplication of any number by a number 2 to 9 by placing bones corresponding to the multiplier on the left side and the bones corresponding to the digits of the multiplicand next to it to the right, and product can be read off simply by adding pairs of numbers with appropriate carries as needed. Just as you can see here, it looks much like our normal multiplication table. Pascal's calculator. Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician and physicist, and as a child he was educated by his father. In the year 1642, he developed the first digital calculator, that is, Pascal's calculator, as you can see in the picture here. This was to help his father perform tedious tax accounting. Leibniz multiplier. In the year 1671, the German mathematician and philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz designed a calculating machine called the step reckoner. It was first built in 1673. The step reckoner expanded on Pascal's ideas and did multiplication by repeated addition and shifting. Here is a step reckoner. Jacquard's loom. The key idea behind Jacquard's loom was to control the action of the weaving process by interfacing the behavior of the loom to an encoding of the pattern to be reproduced. Here we can see Jacquard's loom. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage was an English mathematician and philosopher who invented the analytical engine. In the year 1837, he first described it as a successor to his difference engine and as a design for a mechanical computer. This was the first concept of a programmable computer. As you can see, this here is the analytical engine in the picture. Hollerith census machine. In the year 1890, America had a census. To help in calculating census records, Hollerith machine was invented. This was the first time a census returns are electronically tabulated. Burroughs adding machine. As you can see on this machine, we can see keys on top of the machine that are used to control the Burroughs adding machine. This is used for adding and subtraction. The ENIAC, ENIAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. This was the first electronic general purpose computer. It was digital, Turing complete, and capable of being reprogrammed to solve a large class of numerical problems. Here we can see the ENIAC computer, very big computer operated by 2 users.